Hi, I'm Kyle Glass, Vice President of Marketing Matters. Clicking on a website seems like such a simple thing. But behind the scenes, hundreds of bits of information are being passed all around the world to land on your computer to present the page that you want to see. There are many things that can slow down a website, but here are 5 common reasons a website could become slow. A lot comes down to your host. A lot of people, when building a website or hosting a website, want to go with the least expensive option. And when you go with the ultra inexpensive, you usually run into issues where the host is really slow. It also could be that you're not paying your inexpensive host enough to allocate the correct amount of resources to your website. So we usually check into that first. Extra large images can be an issue. We have several tools that we can use to downsize or cache images. We might look into that as well if your website is becoming slow. Code density is another reason that websites could become slow, because programmers, usually junior programmers, will put in a lot of unneeded code or not know shortcuts around bits of code. Or even programmers, several programmers working on the same website for several years tends to produce a lot of extra coding. Even websites that good programmers do, they inadvertently put in extra code at times. So have somebody look at your code density if your website is slow. With many content management systems, too many plugins could be a culprit. Knowing what each plugin does specifically, what it will affect if you delete it, that requires a professional sometimes, so keep that in mind. An outdated CMS is also a culprit for a slow website. CMS programs, when they release an update, are releasing it because they are fixing known vulnerabilities to hackers, so it's a security issue, and also they're increasing the speed of the website typically. So if you have an update, please make that happen. You know, people are busy. I've experienced slow websites all the time. I'm sure you have as well. According to Google, 1 to 3 seconds of load time will increase your bounce rate 32%. 3 to 5 seconds will increase it 90%. This is such a simple issue to fix. Don't lose any sales over this. You can also lose visibility. SEO algorithms will take into account site speed. So increase your visibility, increase your profitability by increasing your site speed. Please contact a trusted programmer. If you need our help, Marketing Matters is extremely capable in this regard. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help.